Welcome back to Auto Car 024. The 2025 Toyota Restoration, a unique blend of classic design and modern technology that appeals to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. This sedan stands out in the market, offering a nod to nostalgia while incorporating advanced features and performance capabilities. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Restoration showcases a stunning retro design that pays homage to classic Toyotas. The front end features a prominent grille and elegantly shaped headlights, reminiscent of the brand's iconic models from the past. The sleek lines and well-defined curves give it an air of sophistication, while the modern touches ensure it fits right into today's automotive landscape. The color palette is diverse, with both vibrant options and timeless shades that appeal to a wide range of tastes. The Restoration's design strikes a perfect balance between old-school charm and contemporary flair, making it an eye-catching choice on the road. Under the hood, the Restoration is equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a spirited performance, providing around 200 horsepower. This power enables quick acceleration and responsive handling, making it enjoyable to drive whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The sedan features a smooth shifting automatic transmission, enhancing the driving experience and ensuring that every journey feels effortless. Fuel efficiency is impressive, averaging around 30 miles per gallon, making it a practical choice for those looking to save on gas while enjoying a stylish ride. Inside, the 2025 Toyota Restoration impresses with its thoughtfully designed interior. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials that create an inviting atmosphere. The seats are plush and well-cushioned, providing ample support for long drives. The dashboard is elegantly laid out, featuring a modern touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This connectivity allows drivers to easily access navigation, music, and hands-free calling, keeping you connected on the go. One of the standout features of the Restoration is its commitment to safety. Toyota has equipped this sedan with a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance driver confidence and provide peace of mind, making the Restoration a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. Cargo space is generous, with a trunk that offers plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. The rear seats can fold down, further expanding the cargo area for larger items, adding to the versatility of this sedan. As for pricing, the 2025 Toyota Restoration starts at around $28,000 for the base model, which is competitive given the features and performance it offers. Higher trims, with added luxury and technology, can reach up to $35,000. This pricing strategy makes the Restoration an appealing option for buyers seeking a combination of style, performance, and value. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Restoration is a remarkable sedan that successfully blends classic design elements with modern performance and technology. Its striking exterior, impressive engine, and well-appointed interior make it a strong contender in the market. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking for a nostalgic ride or someone in need of a reliable daily driver, the Restoration offers something for everyone. With its competitive pricing and array of features, it's definitely worth considering for your next vehicle purchase. The 2025 Toyota Restoration is not just a car, it's an experience that honors the past while embracing the future.